today I'm showing you home security laser thing. Here you can protect your family by thieves which are taking something from your home. So this device can detect thieves and you can catch them. It is so useful that you should install this. Now in today's lesson I will show you how to make this, what are his components and etc. So here first of all it is laser diode. It gives a ray outside. As you can see in toy markets there are laser lights. Here these are the wires which are known as jumper wires. Here it's buzzer, that's how it beep. In this there are many speakers and woofers that gives our amazing sound. And here it is transistor, and it has 3 legs. There is a thing about it. In Greek language there is this word known as trans, which means 3. So this word derived from Greek language. And it is LDR and resistor. First of all, when laser diodes light follow on LDR, it is fully true gone there. Then if someone goes here and crosses this line, so the beep will be here, and that's how you can do it. So guys, have fun and bye.